Hey YouTube, hey everyone who has memberships. So I recently deleted all my memberships levels. I had 5 levels, and then I created one standard level called All Access. And now this is extremely tedious because members can't view anything because I deleted the level. So I have to go back and change it to All Access and then publish it. So I'm going down one by one, changing my deleted level to All Access. I was on the chat with YouTube. There isn't an easier way, but in the future, I hope they can change this because as you can see, I got to go down to every single video, and I have 783 videos to do this for. So if you do have memberships, my advice to you, do not delete your levels. Keep them. Let me go back down. Because you might this problem that I'm having, you might have the same situation. So if you want to change, you can't really change the price. You have to delete the entire membership level if you are changing price and everything. So I would suggest doing this I had 5 levels that I deleted, so maybe one level at a time. This way it's not so much work. So as you can see, I'm just gonna go one video at a time, changing it to All Access, hit publish. So right now my current members, I apologize. I put comments back on the channel, which I'm glad I did, because I had a member reach out saying they couldn't view a particular video. And I was like, why can't they view it? Everything is fine. Everything should be fine. It's just All Access. Everyone should have just one simple membership level. But apparently this particular video had a deleted level. So anything on a deleted level, viewers or members cannot see. So that was something I learned, which is good to know. So give me some time. It's probably going to take, I don't know, a whole day if I could just stick with it. And I'm going to change each one of these levels. If you need something right away, and if you are a member, just email me. I can quickly search the title of the video and change it from deleted level to All Access. So if you are currently an All Access member, I apologize. I'm going to do this as fast as I can. Change everything to All Access. And then hopefully I don't miss one, but I'm on page 2 of many pages. So notice I'm just going down, changing this all to All Access. This says all channel. I only have one membership level right now. In the past, you guys remember I had 5. I should have just kept it the same. I don't know why I changed this. I think I made a bigger mess. I'm thinking it's going to be easier, but now it's just harder. I gave you access to everything, but let me see. Did I skip anything? All access, and higher. So after this, you know me, I am not changing this level at all because this is going to be, and maybe in the future for YouTube, they'll have an easier way. There should be an easier way for me to change prices, keep the same level, but to just change the price. Like certain months I can do a discount or just just have that ability to just change price at these levels at any time. That would be amazing. So some suggestions for YouTube. So if you take a look, I just did 51 of 100 of about, I have 700. Let's do the next page. So I have a lot of work to do. So all these of 846 videos. Oh gosh. All right, guys. So let me get to work. I should just keep it filming and see how long it takes me. I would definitely need breaks though. And hopefully I don't skip one. Deleted level, all access, publish. So I'm wondering if you guys do get notified. It's because it says eligible members with notification turn will be notified. Cancel. Yeah, this is gonna... I'm tired already. I learned my lesson. I'm not touching membership for a while. So if you want me to change the price, leave in the comments. But if you see all this work, yeah, I hope they have a way I can change the price. I just thought it would be easier if you are, because you get like the whole professor access, which is like $149. So I kind of just went in the middle. All access. All access. Deleted level. Yeah, so you can't see that. All right, let me get to work. Sorry, guys. I'm working as fast as I can so you can see this content. All access. And I'm hoping I don't skip anything. If I do skip something, write in the comments so I can go back individually. But just give me a couple hours to do this. All right. Till next time. Publish. Thanks for watching. Bye.